good, guys? Back at it again. We're here in the shop. It's Monday. Had a great weekend with friends and family. That little intro clip, it's this thing right here. So this is a sculpture I want to make in my front yard. It's just a bunch of river rock that will have an armature inside, and it'll just be a bunch of river rock. So it's like this like Terminator style like intelligence rising up out of this like big bed of river rock. And I want to put water and lights and stuff in it. Anyways, before we can work on that, we got to work on this fire pit coffee table. Last time you guys were here helping me, we got the foam done. We got the foam put in there. We got the kind of the crack dictated and whatnot. So now we need to go down there and basically find out the spacing for the steel tubing that's going to be running through there. Let me get my iPad real quick. The steel tubing that's going to be running in there, and we need to did 12 typos on that shit. There's steel tubing that runs through that crack right there. In this picture I only have 2 shown on this side here, but I'm actually going to amp it up to 3, and on the top surface I'm going to have 5 running across there. I drew that. This is a design I did before I decided on the one that I was going to do. Anyways, so yeah, we got to figure out the steel tubing spacing. She out here watching the old Justin Bieber special.
Sweetheart.
Oh, ah. Aloha, beaches.
Okay, I'm ready.
Damn, she a okay.
That's your poop? You pooped in the floor?
No, that was you.
Is that a horse's poop?
Ah! It stunk up, it has stunken up the whole house. I almost puked, I'm not fucking kidding. I don't even know what to do with it. Should I put it in this pizza box? Help me. That's at least like 4 handfuls. Please. Please.
Please what?
Well, I need your help. I'm not even kidding. No, alright, thank